Dear friends, we have discussed the main elements of the story The Triumph of Surgery in the first video. In second video, we are going to talk about the different characters. I hope you will like it. But before moving forward, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Let us talk about the different characters. Now look at the main characters. The first character is Tricky the dog. Dear friends, you have to remember here that each character is going to form a question, and these are not the short answer type questions. These are the long answer type questions. Physical condition of the dog. When the chapter begins, we come to know that Tricky has become hugely fat. Fat यानी मोटा हो गया है. It looked like the bloated sausage. Bloated word का मतलब होता है फूला हुआ. ये आपको वर्ड याद रखना है. Sausage का मतलब निकलता है a piece of meat. एक फूले हुए मांस के टुकड़े की तरह लगता था. His eyes were bloodshot. लाल आंखें. Rheumy eyes also. Water was coming from his eyes. And his tongue lolled down. जीभ बाहर की तरफ लटक रही थी. This was the practical condition of the dog. So obviously you can consider that the dog was either sick or it was suffering with disease. The second point, that the dog seemed listless, a lifeless figure, मुर्दे की तरह पड़ा हुआ figure और energyless figure की तरह दिख रहा था Tricky. Tricky was greedy for food. If you are asked, was Tricky himself responsible for his condition? Yes, he himself was responsible. He could not refuse for food. खाने को तो कोई मना नहीं है. He could tackle a meal at any hour of the day. दिन में आप कभी भी कहो, रात में आप कभी भी उसके सामने खाना ले जाओ, he is always ready. तो ऐसा greedy of food animal तो बीमार होगा ही. What did he like? उसको क्या चीजें पसंद थी? He loved cream cakes, chocolates. Overfeeding of sweets, cakes and chocolates ultimately led to his ailment. Ailment word का मतलब निकलता है बीमारी. He didn't like to walk or exercise. Dear friends, you have to remember one aspect here. The doctor has advised Mrs. Pumphrey that for the welfare of the animal, you have to take him out for exercise. But the dog didn't like to move on. Tricky becomes a victim of overindulgence. जरूरत से ज़्यादा किसी person और animal का ध्यान देना, that is known as overindulgence and overfeeding. He loses his appetite. Appetite का मतलब होता है धीरे धीरे इसकी भूख कम हो जाती है, and the dog starts vomiting. At this point, the doctor is called. The last point is, at Dr. Harriet's surgery, he is hospitalized for a fortnight and ultimately the dog recovers. तो ये 15 दिनों का यहाँ पे टाइम लगता है. तो ये है Tricky the dog का कैरेक्टर जो आपको याद रखना है. Come to the character of Mrs. Pumphrey. What does she represent? Look at the first point. She represents the silly and negligent and overcaring nature of rich people. ज़्यादा पैसे वाले लोग होते हैं जिन्हें अपने एनिमल्स की डाइट के बारे में या तो पता नहीं होता है, या वो जरूरत से ज़्यादा लव और अफेक्शन को शो करते हैं. ऐसे लोगों का बिहेवियर हमेशा एनिमल्स और अपने बच्चों के लिए बहुत डेंजरस होता है. मिसेस पम्फ्रे इसी नेचर को प्रेजेंट करती है. द पेरेंट्स लाइक मिसेस पम्फ्रे और द केयर टेकर लाइक मिसेस पम्फ्रे आर नेवर रिक्वायर्ड फ्रेंड्स. The second point says that she was responsible for Tricky's declining health or declined health. The poor condition of the dog was due to two persons, Mrs. Pumphrey herself and the dog himself. How it is? Let's see. She pampered the dog with all kinds of comforts. यहाँ पर जो वर्ड है comforts, इसका मतलब निकलता है आराम. उसने उस डॉग को हर तरीके का आराम प्रोवाइड किया. Whether they were the cushions, it was beer, wine, brandy, eggs, what not. Everything was provided to dog, and this dog was leading a luxurious life. She provided many coats and cushions according to the weather. जी हाँ, मौसम के हिसाब से उस डॉग के कपड़े और कोट चेंज हो जाते. Wow, what a fortunate dog was it. She considered the dog suffering with malnutrition. ये उसका खुद का सोचना था that the dog is suffering with malnutrition. शरीर में पर्याप्त न्यूट्रिएंट की कमी मालन्यूट्रिशन कहलाती है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, लेकिन उसे मालन्यूट्रिशन सोच कर ही अलग से खाना दिया जाता था. So she gave some extra between the meal. Between the meals का मतलब होता है आपको जो दिन में खाना प्रोवाइड होता है. Suppose it is your breakfast, it is your lunch and it is your dinner. इन तीन खानों के बीच में आपको बार बार अलग से खाना दिया जाएगा. That is known as little extras between meals. It included malt, it included cod liver oil, it included bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Everything was told to Dr. Harriot also. The D point says he was also given cream cakes and chocolates. Her attitude could be fatal for the health of the dog. यहाँ पर जो वर्ड मिलता है आपको fatal. Fatal वर्ड का मतलब होता है dangerous और घातक. इस तरीके का attitude, it could take the life of the dog. That was very dangerous. शायद ऐसा हो सकता था. तो अगर आपसे पूछा जाए how Mrs. Pumphrey was responsible for the ailment of the dog, Mrs. Pumphrey कैसे जवाबदार थी, तो आपको ये 4 पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं. The next point, Mrs. Pumphrey is impractical. एक पर्सन जिसमें रेशनल एटीट्यूड न हो, जिसे व्यवहारिक ज्ञान न हो, ऐसा पर्सन इम्प्रैक्टिकल कहलाता है. उसे उस डॉग की नेचुरल डाइट और नेचुरल एक्सरसाइज के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं था. बट शी इज कंपैशनेट. कंपैशनेट मीन्स काइंड थी, केयरिंग थी, एंड शी लव द डॉग वेरी मच. यहाँ पे एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ. When the dog remained for 15 days at the surgery, every day she called Dr. Harriot. रोज पूछती थी what is the condition of his dog. That's why we can say that she loved the dog very much. The character is Mr. Harriot. Mr. Harriot himself is the vet. Vet का मतलब निकलता है veterinarian और the doctor which treat animals, जो जानवरों का ट्रीटमेंट करे. He is the writer. He is a veterinary surgeon. This is the first point. He advises Mrs. Pumphrey not to overcare, not to pamper and not to overfeed the dog. ये उसकी initial advice होती है. Actually, he came regularly at the home of Mrs. Pumphrey to see the dog. तो उसकी कंडीशन देख के वो पहले कमेंट करता है, but Mrs. Pumphrey does not change her behavior. He is a duty bound doctor. ड्यूटी बाउंड का मतलब होता है जो कर्तव्यनिष्ठ हो, अपनी ड्यूटी से मुंह न मोड़े. How? Let's see. He used to visit Mrs. Pumphrey's for the checkup of the dog. It is what I have told you. He took the initiative and decided to take Tricky to surgery. Looking at the poor condition, ultimately he told Mrs. Pumphrey that for 15 days he will take the dog so that it can recover. Third point, he never thought to keep Tricky extra for greed of edibles, wine and money. Listen, dear friends, when Tricky was kept for 15 days, the mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, was very worried. अब वो तो ओवर केयरिंग थी, अपना एटीट्यूड छोड़े कैसे? So she has provided many things and sent her servants with many comfortable cushions, with many comfortable coats. She sent cakes, she sent wine, brandy, so that the dog can be given all these things. But the surprising fact is here that nothing was given to Tricky. Everything was utilized by the doctor. लेकिन यहाँ पर एक पॉइंट है, अगर वो चाहता तो ट्रिकी को कुछ और दिन भी रख सकता था ताकि मिसेस पंफ्रे की तरफ से ये सारा मटेरियल आता रहे, पर उसने ऐसा नहीं किया. That's why we can consider that he was honest. The fourth point says that he was practical and pragmatic. A doctor who knows the practical solution of everything, that is known as practical. A doctor or a person filled with unique ideas is known as pragmatic. He knew that surgery is not the treatment, so he cut down the diet of Tricky. This is the very important thing. Second, he made the dog to do certain exercise, and ultimately these efforts improved his health. Now, what was the way the Tricky got recovered? आपके मन में एक सरप्राइज होता होगा या क्वेश्चन आता होगा, what was the way? आखिर मिस्टर हैरियट ने उस डॉग को ट्रीट कैसे किया? ये भी आपका एक तरीके से लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन बनता है और आपको इसे याद रखना है. यू हैव टू लर्न इट. व्हाट वर द स्टेप्स? Was it a real triumph of surgery? Yes. The first step, at the surgery, Tricky looked down at the noisy pack of dogs. The first day when the dog was taken, it did not do anything. It only looked at the dogs with dull eyes. He lay motionless on the carpet. यहाँ पर जो वर्ड है motionless, it means listless, without any interest. He was just lying there. For 2 days, he was not given any food, but the dog was given a plenty of water. सिर्फ पीने को पानी मिलेगा और यही दिया गया. Look at the point number 3. At the end of the second day, Tricky started to show some interest in his surrounding. Friends, let me tell you something, that there were many dogs at the surgery of the doctor or the vet. कई सारे dogs थे. Initially, Tricky was not interested, but after 2 days, it showed some interests. On the third day, the dog began to whimper, थोड़ा गुर्राने लगा, when he heard the dogs in the yard. Now he thought that he should join the company of other dogs. Why not? In the beginning, Tricky could not struggle to get his food. I told you the certain bowls were placed there so that the animals can come. Each animal attacked on the bowl to get food. Initially, Tricky could not do so. But when every dog was ended, Tricky came there and just licked the bowl. लिक का मतलब होता है चाटना. तो अपनी जीभ से बाकी बचा हुआ थोड़ा सा खाना होगा, उसको उसने चाटा. When all the other dogs finished. The next day, the doctor decided to put an extra bowl. उसने सोचा कि एक अलग से बाउल रखा जाए, that is for Tricky. After some days, Tricky jostle वर्ड का मतलब होता है अदर डॉग के साथ उसने स्ट्रगल किया towards the bowl. Now there was no need to put an extra bowl. After some days, he started fighting like a tiger for the share in the gang. Gang, it is the gang of dogs. उसने स्ट्रगल को स्टार्ट किया. He also hunted the rats in the old hen house at the night. ये जो उसकी हंटिंग स्पिरिट है, अदर डॉग्स को ज्वाइन करने की स्पिरिट है, it tells that the dog was recovered. In 2 weeks, Tricky was completely transformed into a lithe, hard-muscled animal. यहाँ पर जो वर्ड है lithe, इसका मतलब निकलता है a dog which is very strong, muscular, that is lithe. When Mrs. Pumphrey reaches there, she is called by the doctor. She comments that it is really the type of surgery. तो दोस्तों काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें हमें ध्यान रखनी है यहाँ पे, करेक्टर्स को ध्यान रखना है, बट द मेन थिंग इज द मैसेज. कभी भी नेवर इंडल्ज योरसेल्फ इन द ओवर केयरिंग ऑफ एनी एनिमल. हियर द पेरेंट्स आर आल्सो रिक्वेस्टेड दैट दे शुड नॉट ओवर केयर देयर चिल्ड्रन. बच्चे की और जानवर की जो भी डाइट है उस डाइट को प्रॉपरली फॉलो किया जाए, सो दैट अ पर्सन कैन ऑलवेज रिमेन हेल्दी. Until and unless you have a proper knowledge of diet of an animal, please never bring any dog or any animal at your home. And if you bring so, you are solely responsible for developing the new habits for physical maintenance of that animal. I hope you were able to understand the chapter and the main part of the story. It is the end of the chapter. Thank you. Jai Hind.